What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm not one of those people, I promise. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I just wanted to sort of preface this. I guess we're doing like a little series thing. I don't really know, but I covered a couple songs in the piano a couple of days ago, and someone recorded it, and people online started loving it. I posted on TikTok, this YouTube channel, Instagram, all over the place. People loved it, and so I was like, yo, why not? All right, I have a piano right here. So why not just play some like modern songs that aren't really piano songs and just play them on the piano? I play by ear, guys. If you don't know, I don't read music, so I don't need to like look at a sheet. I can hear a song once or twice and then go home and play it. And it's not like the chords aren't perfect, right? It's not like like if any pianists are watching this, you're gonna cringe, right? But it sounds like the song. So it's not like, you know what I'm saying? Like it's not proper tone, proper this and all that. It's just playing by ear what I think it's supposed to sound like. So we're gonna, I guess, if you guys have any songs you want me to play, submit them in the comments. Let me know. I'll play whatever song. I'll look it up, listen to it once or twice, and play it. Hopefully soon we'll actually do a live stream songs. Like as we're live, I'll be playing songs that are requested. So yeah, let's get into the video. Today we're gonna be playing Happier by Marshmello. One of those kind of newer songs. It's definitely not a piano song. So let's get into it. Alrighty, y'all, thank you guys for watching today's video. I know it's not the full song. I know I messed up a couple times. I'm a human, okay? I'm not gonna fake it 25 times until I get it perfect. If I mess up, I mess up. Especially like when I'm going live soon doing it. There's no redos, there's no second tries. But hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe, leave a like on the video. Most importantly though, comment below songs that you want me to play. I'll play whatever, dude. It doesn't have to be a song I know, because I don't know half the songs I play. I just hear them. I have a gift. I just hear it and I can play it. So legit, let's have fun with this, man. You control my videos pretty much. I'm also a vlogger. If you want to subscribe to my vlog channel, it'll be linked below or somewhere. You'll find it. Just look up my name and then add vlogs to the end of it. That's it for today. If you want full songs and less talking, let me know and I'll do that. But just a lot to say because it's the beginning of a pretty interesting series. Alright, take it easy, fam. Peace out.